Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna talk about a special type of the expansion of brackets, the difference of two squares. For example, consider this expression: x plus 2 times x minus 2. We first expand the bracket. We can get x squared minus 2x plus 2x minus 2 squared, and then we get rid of the negative 2x and plus 2x. We eventually get x squared minus 2 squared. What can we see from this example? We can see that the product x plus 2 times x minus 2 is of the form of the sum of two terms times the difference of these terms. We can also see that the answer x squared minus 2 squared is in the form of the first term squared minus second term squared. In general, we can write this as a plus b times a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. This result can be also illustrated by a diagram. A squared minus b squared equals to a plus b times a minus b, which is this part. Now let me give you some examples. Example A: x minus 5 times x plus 5. As I said, the rule of these kind of questions is a plus b times a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So we can see that x indicates a and 5 indicates b in this case. So we can write this as x squared minus 5 squared, which is the same as x squared minus 25. Example B: 3x minus 4 times 3x plus 4. Again, we use the rule here. You can write this as 3x squared minus 4 squared. We expand the bracket, 9x squared minus 4 squared, which is the same as 9x squared minus 16. Okay, now you know how this works. Let me give you some extension questions. Question 1: 102 times 98. A lot of you may say we can calculate this by a calculator, but what if we don't use a calculator? How can we solve this question? We can use the difference of two squares. We can write 102 as 100 plus 2 and 98 as 100 minus 2. Then we can solve this by using the rule of the difference of two squares. 100 squared minus 4 squared, which equals to 10,000 minus 16. Then we use our calculator. 10,000 minus 16 equals to 9,984. Okay, question B: 20.1 times 19.9. Again, without calculator, what can we do? We can express 20.1 as 20 plus 0.1, 19.9 as 20 minus 0.1. Then we use the rule 20 squared minus 0.1 squared equals to 400 minus 0.01 equals to 39 399.99. Okay, that's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Please subscribe and I'll see you next time.